Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to stop Grok from accessing your X activity. So Grok can use information from your X account to personalize responses and improve your experience. But this may also include your profile information, preference, post you visit and other personal details. And if you don't like this, then to stop Grok from accessing your X activity, you first need to open Grok app on your device. Now after opening the Grok app, click on this two horizontal line at top left corner of the screen and then click on settings icon at bottom. Now within the settings page, scroll down and under data and information, click on data controls. Here find the option called personalize Grok using X and just turn off the toggle right to it. Once you disable this option, Grok will no longer use your X account activity to personalize its responses. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.